Changing power modes is quite simple, but in some cases, users can face difficulty jumping from one mode to another. So in this video, we will show you what to do when you cannot change the power mode in your Windows 11 computer. Now the first thing we recommend you is to switch to a different power plan. This is especially if you're using a custom power plan. So change it by opening the control panel, expand the view by category at the top and choose large icons. Look for power options, and you should now be able to see your current power plan. Now you have to click on Create a Power Plan. Choose the Balanced Power Plan. Click Next, choose Create, and once done, check if you can now change the power mode successfully. Additionally, try to run the Power Troubleshooter. Just open Settings, choose System, click Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, then look for the Power Troubleshooter and click the Run option. Now you have to wait for the troubleshooter to complete its process and then check the results. Last in the list, reset the power settings. Open the command prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, press enter to execute it, and once the command is executed, check if you can now change the power mode successfully. And those are the different ways on what you can do when you cannot change the power mode in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.